Alright, this is John. I'm making this video mostly for my friends, but if you guys like it, let me know in the comments and I'll start showing the rest of my sneaker collection. Basically, I'm just excited. I already opened this up, but and snipped the plastic off and everything. But I am really excited about this shoe. This is the Nike Cortez Quickstrike Upside Down Stranger Things collab. Came out in August of 2019, and it's in a sail navy colorway. Now this shoe's pretty special, as you're about to see. I'm going to unbox it for you just for the experience I had there. Now, what makes this so special are all of the strange little features that come with it. Now, the outer wrapping paper is actually, you can take the whole thing out. It is a full map of the Starcourt Mall from the TV show. Comes with a bunch of nice pins. I wonder if the people who put this together actually had the Starcourt pin upside down intentionally. Thematic. Got an extra pair of black laces for once you go upside down. You know what? Let's do it like this. Now there's a lot of nice features in here. Inside the left foot, we've got an insole that shows us the one of the machines that the Ruskies were using. We've also got in the right sole, right insole, does feel like there's a little glue holding it in, but it is worth ripping this thing apart. In fact, this shoe is designed to be ripped apart. That's why I am not going to be gentle with it. Now you can see in here we've got Susie, do you copy? We've got looks like we've got a layout of maybe the Russian facility. And when you lift it up, the week is long, the silver cat feeds. When blue and yellow meet in the west, a trip to China sounds nice if you tread lightly. When you look under the other insole, got a hidden Russian message. Не делай. But yeah, my Russian is not good enough yet to read all of that. I'm gonna have to decipher that later. When you look under the tongue, you get caution. Removal of top layer may reveal alternate dimension. It will be over soon. Now this shoe is intended to be ripped apart. You're not supposed to treat it nice. And you may have seen other videos of people putting a lighter to it. And it seems like it really needs, it lights up a lot better once it's been roughed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wear these shoes for a few weeks. I'm going to wear these shoes for a few weeks. I'm going to ride my bike around. I'm going to do what the kids in the show would be doing. I'm going to get some grass stains on them. I'm going to ride on them. So what do these kids do? They're going to ride on them, right? And then, so help me, I am going to take this torch to it. I'm going to torch these things right on up. Everyone's a wussy about how they light these things up. Not me. It says to put them on fire. I'm going to light it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear these basically every day. These are going to be my everyday wear shoes for a couple weeks. I'm going to wear them in real good. And these are going to be my test bed. I'm going to get, I intend to get the other Stranger Things collabs with the similar properties. The same Quickstrike. Limited release, and with what I learned from these, the cheapest ones that are available, clearly it was not always cheap. You have a $899 price tag on the shoes here. These were originally offered for $120. I got them below retail recently. And I will be letting you guys know when the time comes time to burn them. And I will show you the process of what is revealed. Thanks for watching. If you like this and you want more of this sort of content, I might even start a whole channel just for sneakers. I've got a nice collection going. I'm about to hit up my first convention next weekend, and let me know what you think.